take these 2 screws out. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that screw out. Just slide the light straight back. And it's going to be a little bit tight right there. Disconnect the connector, slide this out, slide it off. This rubber piece has to come off. Just slide this out of here. We can reuse that. Take this, slide this into the new light assembly. And that looks good. All right, connect the connector. Put this back in position. Kind of helps if you angle it a little bit. Push that rubber piece all the way through. And that's good. And put the screws back in. And snug those up.